Hello, just going to show you our V2 30-second record greeting card module. Press the button to add your recording on, release, and then it's saved. We sell blank greeting cards that hide the module inside. I've got one here where we've added some double-sided tape, which we also sell if you don't have any. Just remove the backing, line the notches up with a crease line in the card, seal this all down, remove your double-sided tape liner, add your recording on, test 1 2 1 2. Now this pipe, if you just remove that, it should begin playing.
Test 1 2 1 2. Test.
This will continuously play.
Test 1 2 1 2.
I don't need this button anymore, so we'll just cut that off.
Test 1 2 1 2.
Press down either side. As soon as the card closes, that will stop it.
1 2 1 2.
You just keep it folded up for a few seconds, let the double-sided tape stick down properly.
Test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2.
And that's it done. Thanks for watching.